Did you know over a third of people have fatty liver disease and most don't even know it? This silent epidemic is quietly sabotaging your health, blocking weight loss, and opening the door to serious diseases. Your liver is responsible for over 500 vital functions, so when it's struggling, your whole body feels it. Early warning signs? Skin issues, digestive problems, or unexplained pain in your right shoulder or upper abdomen. Left unchecked, liver problems can lead to heart disease, high blood pressure, and chronic illness. Today we'll reveal the 7 everyday foods and ingredients silently destroying your liver and stalling your weight loss. Stick around for a surprising truth about coffee and your liver health. Let's dive in. First up, repeatedly heated cooking oils or RCOs found in most fried foods, especially from restaurants. These oils, soy, corn, canola, are heated over and over, creating toxic compounds like aldehydes and lipid peroxides. Every bite of fried food means your liver has to filter out these toxins, working overtime and suffering direct cell damage. The result? Chronic inflammation, not just in your liver, but throughout your body, fueling aging and disease. RCOs also damage blood vessels, raising your risk for heart attacks and strokes. These cheap, unstable oils are everywhere. Fries, chips, fast food, and even some home cooking. The liver, overwhelmed, starts storing fat, leading straight to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's a vicious cycle. Toxins cause inflammation, which leads to fat storage, which causes more inflammation. The solution? Avoid fried foods from restaurants and fast food chains. If you must fry at home, use stable fats like ghee or coconut oil, and never reuse oil. Discard after one use. Remember, the convenience of fried food comes at a high cost to your liver and heart. Making this one change can dramatically reduce your toxic burden and inflammation. Protect your liver. Skip the RCOs. Your body will thank you. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed options instead. Read labels and ask questions when eating out. Small changes add up to big health benefits. Take the first step today. Next, let's talk about processed vegetable oils and trans fats, margarine, shortening, and most supermarket oils. Marketed as heart-healthy, these fats are actually made with high heat and chemicals, creating inflammation and oxidative stress. Hydrogenation turns these oils into trans fats, artificial substances your body can't process. These fats stiffen your cell membranes, accelerating aging and causing brain fog, joint pain, and skin issues. Your liver struggles to break them down, leading to fat buildup and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They're hidden in baked goods, salad dressings, mayonnaise, and fried snacks. Margarine, once touted as healthy, is actually a blend of cheap oils and trans fats. Ditch it for real butter from grass-fed cows. Read labels for hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils and avoid them. These fats also disrupt hormones, making weight loss harder and promoting belly fat. The inflammation they cause raises cortisol, your stress hormone. To protect your liver, eliminate these oils and trans fats from your diet. Cook with coconut oil, avocado oil, ghee, or tallow. Use extra virgin olive oil for salads. Eat whole food fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. This one change slashes inflammation and supports your liver. Be a label detective. Your health depends on it. Swap processed fats for real whole foods. Your liver will function better and you'll feel the difference. Don't let hidden fats sabotage your health. Make the switch today. Third on our list, aflatoxins, toxic compounds from mold, especially in corn and peanuts. Aflatoxins are classified as carcinogens and target your liver, causing DNA damage and increasing cancer risk. Even low-level chronic exposure wears down your liver's defenses, leading to inflammation and long-term harm. Corn isn't just corn on the cob. It's in syrups, oils, fillers, and animal feed, sneaking into countless processed foods. Peanuts and peanut butter are another major source, especially cheaper brands. Symptoms of aflatoxin exposure are vague: fatigue, nausea, abdominal pain, and over time, serious liver issues. The solution? Minimize corn and peanut products, especially processed versions. Read labels for hidden corn ingredients. If you eat peanuts, choose Valencia peanuts or switch to almond or cashew butter. Reducing aflatoxin exposure is a powerful way to protect your liver and lower your cancer risk. Be mindful of what's in your pantry. Opt for higher quality tested products. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Don't let hidden toxins undermine your health. Your liver works hard. Help it out. Choose safer alternatives. Stay vigilant and your liver will thank you. Take control of your food choices. Number 4. MSG or monosodium glutamate, a flavor enhancer found in countless processed foods and restaurant dishes. MSG is an excitotoxin, overstimulating your cells and straining your liver's detox systems. Studies link MSG to liver inflammation and even non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It also causes fluid retention, bloating, and raises blood pressure. MSG is often hidden under names like yeast extract, hydrolyzed protein, or natural flavors. It tricks your brain's appetite signals, making you overeat and further burdening your liver. Most MSG-laden foods are also high in refined carbs and bad fats, a double hit to your liver. The oxidative stress from MSG damages your liver's mitochondria, making fat burning harder and promoting fat storage. The fix? Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and cook at home with real ingredients. Read labels carefully and avoid foods with long ingredient lists or hidden MSG. Removing MSG gives your liver a chance to heal and restores normal appetite control. Don't let hidden chemicals sabotage your health. Choose real food for real results. Your liver will function better and you'll feel more energized. Be proactive. Your health is worth it. Say no to MSG and yes to whole foods. Take charge of your nutrition. Number 5. Fructose, especially from high fructose corn syrup and agave nectar, not whole fruit. Unlike glucose, fructose is processed almost entirely by your liver, overwhelming it and turning excess into fat. This is the fastest way to develop fatty liver, even faster than alcohol. Sugary drinks and processed foods are the main culprits, fueling the fatty liver epidemic even in kids. Agave nectar, often marketed as healthy, is actually worse than high fructose corn syrup for your liver. Fructose metabolism also raises uric acid, increasing blood pressure and blocking fat burning. A fatty liver becomes insulin resistant, making weight loss nearly impossible. High insulin locks fat in your body and liver. The solution? Eliminate liquid fructose. No soda, sweetened juices, sports drinks, or agave. Get sweetness from whole fruits, where fiber slows absorption and protects your liver. Whole fruits feed your gut and help you feel full. Read labels for hidden sugars and syrups. Choose water, herbal tea, or black coffee instead. Your liver will recover and your energy will soar. Don't let hidden sugars sabotage your health. Make the switch to real whole foods. Protect your liver. Ditch the sweetened drinks. Small changes, big results. Start today. Number 6. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pasta, crackers, pastries, white rice, and most cereals. These foods are stripped of fiber and nutrients, turning into sugar almost instantly and spiking your blood sugar. The liver converts excess glucose into fat, fueling fatty liver disease and raising your risk for heart problems. This process also creates oxidative stress, damaging liver cells and depleting antioxidants. Over time, it leads to inflammation, insulin resistance, and makes weight loss nearly impossible. Many low-fat foods are loaded with refined carbs, which your liver turns into fat anyway. The fix? Choose whole, unprocessed carbs, brown rice, whole grain or sourdough bread, starchy veggies, and especially non-starchy vegetables. Fiber slows sugar absorption and supports your gut health. Avoid the blood sugar roller coaster. Your liver will thank you. Read labels and skip foods with white flour or added sugars. Focus on real, nutrient-dense foods. Your energy and metabolism will improve. Don't let empty carbs sabotage your health. Make smarter swaps for lasting results. Support your liver with every meal. Choose whole foods, every time. Finally, number 7. Alcohol, the most notorious liver toxin. Every drink forces your liver to drop everything and detoxify ethanol, generating toxic byproducts like acetaldehyde. This causes inflammation, cell damage, and blocks your liver from burning fat. Alcohol metabolism signals your liver to make and store more fat, fueling fatty liver disease. Even moderate drinking can stall weight loss and damage your liver. Over time, this leads to scarring, fibrosis, and eventually cirrhosis, irreversible liver failure. Many alcoholic drinks are loaded with sugar, compounding the damage. There's no truly safe amount of alcohol for your liver. If you already have fatty liver or want to lose weight, abstaining is best. If you do drink, never on an empty stomach, stick to small amounts, and choose dry wines or clear spirits with soda water. Give your liver days off to recover, but for optimal health, minimize or eliminate alcohol. Your liver will heal and your energy will improve. Don't underestimate alcohol's impact. Make mindful choices for your health. Protect your liver, skip the drinks. Your future self will thank you. Every day without alcohol is a win for your liver. Choose health over habit. We've exposed the 7 hidden threats to your liver. Now it's time to act. Avoiding these foods and ingredients is the most powerful way to support your liver and unlock better health. Add healing habits. Start your day with lemon water and know that organic, low-acid coffee can actually protect your liver. Focus on whole foods, cruciferous veggies, healthy fats, and clean proteins. Your liver can heal if you give it the right conditions. Take control. Your energy, vitality, and well-being depend on it. If you found this helpful, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Here's to your healthiest liver ever.